Okay, students, now we are going to understand the another set of retail business. We have done chain stores. Now the next set of retail business is mail order houses. This is the new format of your um, business system or economic retail activity. Okay, so this is the new system of economic retail activity which has been introduced and is totally different from your the traditional set of systems or the traditional way of doing your business activity is this system is totally different from that traditional way. Okay, here the orders are being placed through your mailing system. Okay, or what we can say is that earlier it was postal communication. Now you can approach these houses through internet system. Okay, and one of the best examples, if we can understand, is Amazon and Flipkart. They are the mail order houses that they have developed special applications, okay, through which you reach to these websites. You don't have to write them the letter, but they have made a platform for you. You search out the product, then you choose that product. The product is being then finalized. The payment is being made either in cash at the time of delivery, or the credit cards, or your UPI system, or your Bheem application system, or credit debit cards, ATM cards are being used for making prepayments, and the goods are being delivered at your doorstep. तो ये आपके पास एक नया मॉडल आ गया है मेल ऑर्डर हाउसेज में। पहले आप क्या करते थे, लेटर लिखते थे किसी को, और उसमें आपके इट वाज नॉट हैपनिंग इन इंडिया बट इन यूरोपियन कंट्रीज this system was evolved or developed that you write a letter to some organization, they will place the orders, they will provide you the quotation, and then you place the order, the payment system is then being decided, and finally the goods are being delivered at your doorstep. Okay, so that mail order system, the postal communication system, has been refined and a renewed program has been introduced, which is nowadays being known with the name of Amazon, Reliance, Geo, or WhatsApp system is GeoMart system is there, or Tata Click is there, or Flipkart is there. So these are the business models which has come out in a refined way out of the mail order houses only. ओके, तो हम इसमें क्या है, पहले हम इसमें प्रोसीजर थोड़ा सा इन्होंने डिस्कस किया हुआ है. सो लेट्स डिस्कस दैट प्रोसीजर that in old days that a letter was being written to the company concerned with respect to the goods, and the quotations were being asked, and those out of that the products which has to be purchased from a particular company, the company is being finalized, whose quotations suit us most, and then the goods were being purchased. Now here what the procedure is being followed. Okay, first of all we prepare mailing list. Okay, preparation of mailing list. अब ये कौन कर रहा है, ये कंपनी कर रही है, एक मेलिंग लिस्ट प्रिपेयर कर रही है. मेलिंग लिस्ट में क्या कर रहे हैं, वो टेलीफोन नंबर्स, एड्रेसेस और पोटेंशियल कस्टमर्स के कलेक्ट करती है. जैसे आजकल आप अगर देखिए कि अगर आपने फेसबुक पे कोई भी आइटम को सर्च कर लिया तो आपको उसकी एडवर्टीजमेंट दिखनी शुरू हो जाएगी. ट्विटर पे आपने उसको सर्च कर लिया तो आपको वो ट्विटर पे वो प्रोडक्ट दिखना शुरू हो जाएगा। या क्या कहते हैं, आपने इंस्टा पे या किसी और सिस्टम पे आपने किसी प्रोडक्ट को सर्च कर लिया तो उसका आपको एक तो वो एडवर्टीजमेंट आनी शुरू हो जाएगी। सेकेंडली, ऑन दोज सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स you will get regularly emails from the companies concerned, that these are the new products are there, insurance company, banking company, then your these retail companies, they will start sending you emails. Okay, same way, so they are automatically getting the information collected. Okay, once you have searched, they will that information will get stored in their data bank, and from data bank they sort out, okay, these are the people who have been regularly doing purchasing from us, so let's send them emails with respect to the goods they have been searching for so long or on continuous basis. So that is how these mail order houses are working. Okay, so first important thing is that they are preparing the list of most prospective customers. Okay, कौन कौन हैं जो हमारे प्रोडक्ट को सर्च कर रहे हैं या लुक आउट कर रहे हैं, those who are interested. We are going to collect their telephone numbers. Okay, the list of members in clubs or associations with which they are attached. तो ये सारी डिटेल हम इकट्ठी करते हैं कि कौन से क्लब के साथ अटैच्ड हैं, कौन से एसोसिएशन के साथ अटैच्ड हैं, उनके फ़ोन नंबर्स क्या हैं, उनका मेलिंग एड्रेस क्या है, वो सारा हम इकट्ठा करेंगे. देन अप्रोच टू कस्टमर्स. ओके, नाउ दीज कंपनीज आर अप्रोचिंग टू कस्टमर वायर थ्रू वेरियस मीडियाज. Okay. Now, you don't have to depend upon postal department. WhatsApp is one of the biggest media. So once they have got your phone number with them, they will advertise through WhatsApp. First thing. Secondly, they will advertise through newspaper, catalogs, billboards, signboards, okay, or circulars, or various other ways. They will approach the customer and provide them the information about the product, its utilities, its qualities, its price, its comparison with other goods. तो ये एक अप्रोच हो गई है. मतलब पहले ये ट्रेडिशनल वेज थे, अभी सोशल मीडिया के वेज को भी यूज़ किया जा रहा है फॉर एडवर्टीजमेंट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. ओके, देन देयर इज रिसीविंग ऑफ ऑर्डर्स. थर्ड स्टेप इज receiving of orders. Okay. Now when they are making calls, they are sending information on regular basis, they are trying to convince large number of customers to buy their product, and out of them a few will get convinced and they will approach these companies to buy certain products. So hence they will start receiving orders and they will make a order book. Information will be recorded in that order book. Each and every aspect will be recorded, and hence the information. Hence they will come to know as to how many orders have been received from which type of customer and for what type of products these orders have been received. तो ये आपके पास है. Okay. Then the next stage is dispatch of goods. Once the orders have been received, that has been processed, the goods are being dispatched, they are being packed and packed in accordance with the buyer's specifications, so that the good reaches to the buyer in good condition and the buyer feels satisfied that everything has been taken care of and a good quality product has been delivered within the shortest possible time. Okay, so that is nowadays. Earlier it was the post office where the goods were being delivered. Nowadays courier services are becoming more prevalent as compared to post offices. So these courier services are carrying these products and delivering at the doorstep in the shortest possible time period. That is the another important aspect or step. Okay, then there is the payment of goods. Next step is payments of goods. How the payments are done? One is cash on delivery. Okay. Another is prepayment through various aspects, credit card, debit card, ATM card, or your UPI payment system is there. So any other system, or your Amazon Pay, Phone Pay. So there are various ways you are using. तो एक तो है आप चेक के थ्रू भी पेमेंट कर सकते हो. ओके, तो आप एक तो क्या है पेमेंट करते हो कि जब हमारा प्रोडक्ट डिलीवर होगा तब हम पेमेंट करेंगे, या अगर कंपनी की पॉलिसी है कि आपको पहले पेमेंट करनी है तो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू डिपॉजिट द पेमेंट एंड देन the goods will be delivered to you. Okay, that is how this system works. तो यहाँ पे ये पेमेंट के सिस्टम्स हैं आपके पास. ओके, तो ये आपके पास है. अब ये किन एरियाज में सूटेबल कहाँ है? suitability of this form of रिटेल बिजनेस. किस तरह के प्रोडक्ट्स में ये सूटेबल हैं? ओके, तो सबसे पहले तो सूटेबल कहाँ है? वेयर स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड प्रोडक्ट्स. ओके, सेकंड, जिसकी स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड पैकेजिंग है. ओके, स्टैंडर्डाइज गुड्स हैं, स्टैंडर्डाइज पैकेजिंग होगी. ओके, एंड थर्ड इज दोज गुड्स विच कैन बी easily transported at low price. ओके, तो ये आपके पास एक और आस्पेक्ट आ गया. ओके, एंड these work for the goods. Okay, which are available throughout year to meet the demand. Okay, तो डिमांड को मीट करने के लिए ओके ये है. अनदर इज these work well in case of goods which can be easily explained, i.e. utility, quality, availability, तो ये इन जगहों पे सूटेबल हैं जहाँ स्टैंडर्डाइज प्रोडक्ट है, स्टैंडर्डाइज डिलीवरी सिस्टम है, पैकेजिंग है, लो कॉस्ट होनी चाहिए, और जिनको आप इजीली एक्सप्लेन कर सको. जिस प्रोडक्ट को आपको एक्सप्लेन करने में दिक्कत आ रही है वो मेल ऑर्डर हाउसेस के थ्रू बेचना मुश्किल हो जाता है. ये सबसे बड़ा आस्पेक्ट है आपके पास. ओके, अब हम आ जाते हैं एडवांटेजेस ऑफ मेल ऑर्डर हाउसेस. फर्स्ट एडवांटेज क्या है कि यहाँ पे पैसा बहुत कम चाहिए, लिमिटेड कैपिटल रिक्वायर्ड। ओके, क्यों? You just have to create an office and develop a catalog, establish link with various companies who are ready to supply the goods and services, and through that catalog you are making the information available to the customers who are interested in buying goods and services from your company. So once the orders are being received by the company concerned, they are being sent forwarded over to the suppliers, and suppliers, by packing the goods and services as per the terms and condition of the company, they are supplying it directly to the customer. Okay, or those are being procured from the suppliers, collected at one distribution center, and from that distribution center through courier services it is being spread over or sent over the wide territory in which these companies are operating. तो यहाँ आपके पास सिर्फ एक ऑफिस बनाना है आपको, और आपको वेयर हाउसेज, स्टोरेज सेंटर और courier services के साथ लिंकअप इस्टेब्लिश करना है. सो द टोटल कैपिटल रिक्वायर्ड इन दिस केस इज कंपैरेटिवली लेस, वेयर you don't have to do any manufacturing or warehousing of raw material or various other aspects. You just have to buy the goods and services from the supplier. You have just to transfer the orders of the customer directly to the suppliers, and suppliers, after packing the goods as per the quality confirmation they have given to the company concerned, the goods are being delivered at common distribution center where the huge storage capacity is being created, and from that it is being further distributed to the various customers. Okay, तो यहाँ सिर्फ आपका मिनिमम बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट है स्टोर की, गोडाउन्स की, और उसको क्या कहते हैं, आपको एक डाटा एनालिसिस सिस्टम क्रिएट करना है जिससे आप सेग्रीगेशन कर सको डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स की, एंड देन you can automatically tag them for the various destinations. So that is like, it's like a postal activity which is rather than more like a postal activity rather than of manufacturing activity. ये सबसे बड़ा इसका डिफरेंस है. सबसे पहला बेनिफिट है कि आपको बहुत कम पैसा चाहिए. ओके, कि इसमें आपको क्या सिर्फ ऑफिसेज इस्टेब्लिश करने हैं. यू डोंट हैव टू इन्वेस्ट इनटू मैन्युफैक्चरिंग activities, raw material activities and other things. Okay, another important benefit is it eliminates the middle. This form of business organizations eliminates the middleman, means they are in direct contact with the customer, and after receiving order from the customer they are handing over to the supplier, and from that supplier they are making the goods available to the customer directly. Okay, so there is least involvement of the middleman. Only one step is there where the company directly gets the orders from the customers, and then transfer those to the suppliers with whom they have contacted for supplying of goods and services. Thus there is one step in between the customer and the supplier, and rest of all the middlemen or the brokers have been shunted out of this system. तो ये एक अनदर इम्पॉर्टेंट बेनिफिट है इस सिस्टम में कि आपको मिडलमैन को जो खर्चा देना पड़ता था, जो कॉस्ट को ऐड करता है, वो सारा रिड्यूस हो गया, वो फिनिश अप हो गया. ओके, एंड देयर इज ओनली वन स्टेप इज इन बिटवीन द सप्लायर एंड द कस्टमर थ्रू विच द गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज आर बीइंग मेड अवेलेबल. तो ये क्या है कि मिडलमैन को कट डाउन करता है, उसकी कॉस्ट जो एड ऑन होती थी गुड्स में उसको भी कट डाउन करते हैं, एंड प्रोवाइड दी बेटर क्वालिटी गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज थ्रू वन स्टॉप. ओके, तो ये आपके पास अनदर इम्पॉर्टेंट बेनिफिट है. देन देयर इज एब्सेंस ऑफ बैड डेट्स. Since these goods are purchased on cash basis, okay, So it is not possible that there will be bad debts in this particular case. Okay. Either these goods are purchased on cash basis, or the payment has to be made in advance through credit card, debit cards. Okay, or delivery will be done only when the cash is being paid. So since the payment system is being updated and you have to make the payments first, then only the goods will be delivered. That's why there are least chances of bad debts in this particular case. Okay. Then there is your wide reach. In traditional form of business, you can reach only up to the customer within a particular city, or just 10, 15 or 20 kilometers away from city. People can come visit your shops and carry out the business activities, but you can't sell your product far and wide in the national or international market. So this is a system which helps you in creating a mark for yourself for your product in national and international market, and it helps in making the goods available at the farthest corner which is not accessible otherwise. तो ये इसका एक इम्पॉर्टेंट बेनिफिट है that you can sell your goods wherever you want, okay, and to whichever customer who is in need of your product, you can make these goods available. So that is the another important benefit of this mail order houses. Okay, another is convenience. Okay, another is convenience. Okay, convenience is that you are sitting at home and you are placing order for the goods and services, and the goods are then being finally delivered at your doorstep. So that is what the convenience is over here, that you don't have to go to the shopping areas and search for the goods and then the goods will be made available to you. But here you have the catalog available with you. You find out the goods out of that particular catalog according to your requirement, and thus place the order. The goods will be finally delivered at your doorstep. That is the convenience over here. But there are certain limitations also in case of mail order houses. First is it is impersonal. There is no contact between the buyer and the seller. It is only through communication systems you are interacting with each other, and thus you don't know who is the person on the other side who is selling goods and services to you, and the seller doesn't know who is buying goods and services from you. Thus they only know that there is a person who is buying goods from us and there is a person who is selling goods to us. That is the information available, because of which it makes the whole system as impersonal, which lacks empathy and the self belongingness which used to be there when you used to go for traditional form of business activity. That is the first limitation with this. Okay, another is high promotional cost. Here you have to regularly advertise your product through via medias, so that the customers are aware that what are the various products being produced or available with the mail order houses, and what are the qualities, features, at what price those goods are available, and what amount of discount or benefits the company is going to offer them from time to time. So that advertisement has to be done on regular basis to attract more and more customer, and that is the another problem with this, that it leads to addition of cost to the products which these mail order houses are supplying. So that is the another problem with these mail order houses. This is the limitation, that the cost of promoting the goods is quite high. Okay. Another is no after sales services. The another problem being faced by these mail order houses, the customer who is buying goods, that they don't create a system where they can provide you after sales services, like they will not repair the mobile phone, but the repair will happen with the company whose product has been purchased. They will not repair the air conditioner or various other things. They will just supply the goods, and this will be done by the local retailer, individual retailer who is providing the services in those goods, like air condition, mobile phones, or whatever the products which you are purchasing online. So if they need after sales services, that will be provided only by the local retailer, not by these companies, and that is the problem with these companies. Okay. Another problem is no credit facility. So the benefit which you enjoy, that whenever you buy goods from the local retailer, you can even buy goods on credit basis. That you tell him that you will make the payments after 1 week or 15 days. Okay, but in case of these type of business activities, there is no credit facility available. Rather, they are selling the goods only on cash basis. That is the main system how this organization works. So cash facility is there, because of which there is no bad debts is possible, and that means no credit facility is being made available to the customers. Okay. Another important thing is delayed delivery. These types of companies are successful only in that type of selling activity, where you can wait for some time to buy the goods and services. But if you need the goods and services in emergency, these mail orders houses are of no use. They can't provide you the benefit because you need those goods in emergency. But here in this case, the goods are generally being delayed after a particular time, and sometimes it happens that these goods are delivered more later than the required time period they have asked for. That is the problem with these retail houses. Okay, so delayed delivery की भी problem है आपके पास, and then possibility of abuse is there. Okay, so possibility of abuse is that people are giving false information, or they are placing the orders, but when the product is being delivered at their home and is about to deliver, they reject that particular product. Okay, they say that they haven't asked for. So all that type of frauds are being committed by either by the supplier, he is supplying bad quality product or fake product or something else in place of the product which is being so asked by the purchaser. Same way, purchaser also outsmart the seller. So that it leads to lack of trust between both the parties, and hence it is the problem. And another important thing is that the delivery is not delivery happens generally at the time when you are not in need of, in case of emergency. Okay, in case of emergency only, otherwise these are delivered. So we were discussing about the point which was possibility of abuse was there. ओके, तो अब्यूज़ के चांसेस क्या हैं यहाँ पे, कि आपका प्रोडक्ट गलत दे दिया, ओके, या गलत एड्रेस पे भेज दिया, या आपके पास जो जिसने ऑर्डर किया उसने ये कह दिया कि आई हैवंट प्लेस दी ऑर्डर्स, और some financial abuse has happened, that they have stolen the the credit card information or debit card information from your account, okay, and siphoned off your account. तो ये सारे problems हैं इस mail order housing के साथ. And last is they are highly dependent upon postal services, okay, highly dependent upon so highly dependent upon postal services mean they have to depend upon courier facilities, and if the courier facility does not deliver the goods at the right place in right time, that will lead to the failure of that, will bring bad name for the company and can cause problems to the company from customer side. So that is the another important aspect, that they have to depend upon the postal services, and the efficiency of the postal services is then going to guarantee the efficiency of these mail order houses. So that is the problem with this mail order houses. Okay. Now after this we will be doing vending machines. Okay.